Hello, scientists! In our activity today, we'll be learning all about animal adaptations. An adaptation is something that an animal uses to help it survive in its home, also called a habitat. For example, penguins are specially adapted to their cold water habitats by having thick, waterproof feathers to stay warm and dry, and wings shaped like flippers for swimming instead of flying. Sometimes closely related animals can live in very different habitats. When this happens, their bodies end up looking fairly different. Like how this desert-loving black-tailed jackrabbit has short, sandy fur to stay cool and blend in with their environment, and has huge ears that let heat out easily. But this snowshoe hare has thick, fluffy fur and shorter ears that won't get as cold. Today, you're going to choose a favorite animal and imagine how that animal might adapt to living in a new habitat. For this activity, you'll need 2 pieces of paper, something to write with, and something colorful to draw with, like colored pencils, crayons, or markers. Start out by choosing a favorite animal. If you need an idea, here's a couple on screen. For our example, I'm going to choose a rabbit. If you like, you can write the animal's name at the top of the sheet. Then choose a new habitat to put your creature in, somewhere that it doesn't normally live. Here's a couple examples in case you need an idea. You can also write this at the top of the sheet. I'm choosing the ocean for my habitat. Next, take a moment to think. What adaptations would this creature need to survive in its new habitat? Think about things like how it moves around and what it needs to survive. For my rabbit to be able to swim well, I'm going to give it webbed feet. And all animals need food to survive. Rabbits eat plants, so I'm going to give mine hands so that it can grab seaweed to eat. Animals also need to be able to sense their environments. Now, rabbits on land have big ears to help them listen. But ocean rabbits wouldn't want water to get in their ears, so maybe they have short ears that fold over to keep water out. What other adaptations might your animal have to help it survive in its new habitat? Does it have any special defenses against predators? Once you have your plan, you can start drawing. Draw both your animal and its habitat. Make labels on important adaptations so you can explain your drawing to others. Go ahead and pause here if you like so you can finish up your drawing. Welcome back! Did you finish drawing your animal in its new habitat? Now, imagine I wanted to go visit my animal in their new habitat. But wait, do I look prepared to go into the ocean? No. Now, I may not have webbed feet like my underwater rabbit, but instead, perhaps I could bring something with me that kind of acts like webbed feet. How about some flippers? What are some tools that might help a person stay safe and comfortable in the environment you chose? Draw a picture of yourself going to visit your animal in their habitat. Think about adaptations that animals have to live in this environment, and then include tools that do the same jobs to help humans stay safe and comfortable. These can be real tools or tools you make up. I'm giving myself a wetsuit to keep warm and diving flippers to help me swim. Do any of these tools remind you of any animal adaptations? They remind me of a fur seal's thick fur and flippers. We'd love to see your animal creations. So feel free to send us a picture or tag @PacSci on social media. There are also alternative versions of this activity and additional extensions available in the video description. Stay curious and see you next time.